In this video, we will guide you through answering question 6 of the PIP2 form. The PIP2 form is a paper form that is sent to you from the DWP. For more information on how to get this form, contact Dash on 020 884 88319. In this part of the form, they are asking you about how you wash and bathe yourself. This includes washing your face, parts of your body and hair, as well as being able to use a standard bath or shower. This is not about how you get to the bathroom, just your washing and bathing routine. Question 6a is a tick box question. This question asks if your condition affects your washing and bathing. If you have ticked no, move on to question 7. If you have ticked yes, continue with question 6. Question 6b asks you to talk about in what ways your condition affects your ability to wash and bathe yourself. This includes any help or aids you may use from a person or appliance. This could include, but is not limited to, a shower seat, rails to hold on to, a sponge on a stick to help you reach certain areas of your body, or someone telling you to wash and bathe yourself, or someone watching you to make sure you don't put yourself in danger. If you feel you need an aid or help, but don't currently receive it, please still include it on the form. When answering this question, think about what you experience when you wash and bathe yourself. Use the bullet points underneath the question to help you answer this question. Include as much detail as you can, as the more detail you include, the better understanding the DWP will have of how your condition or disability affects your daily life. If you downplay or exaggerate your condition, it could have a negative impact on your application. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020 884 88319, or alternatively, email them at info@dash.org.uk.